cake, these are the ingredients you need. So now we begin. We start with taking some flour, some sugar. You add a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of baking powder, and then you sieve it. You add 2 teaspoons of melted butter, and then you add 4 tablespoons of milk. We again add 1 tablespoon of milk. So in total we're adding 4 tablespoons. Make sure there are no lumps in it. So now the batter is ready. You put them in buttered ramekins in some silicone molds. And add a piece of chocolate. Let it sink in. Fill the remaining batter on top till it's 3/4 full. You don't want it to over-rise, right? So now, chocolate lava is ready to go in the microwave. So if you liked my chocolate lava cakes, which was so instant, made in just 1 minute, you can please subscribe to FoodFood's YouTube channel. Thank you.